In this video from our tips and tricks series, we will learn how to duplicate and transfer study properties between different analyses such as AC magnetic, magnetostatic, and transient studies. Instead of repeatedly assigning settings such as materials, force, torque, excitation, and motion for every study, we can save time by simply copying the features and properties from one study to another. Let's see the workflow and how we can do that. Imagine that we have AC magnetic simulation and we want to create another transient magnetic study. When you click on transient magnetic, you have to first dedicate the properties of this study. After you click on OK, the next step is assigning material, excitations, forces, and other stuff. But if you have another study with the same design and geometry, you can simply right-click on material, click on copy material, and paste it in another study. In this way, you don't need to set material of objects one by one in the new study. The same feature is possible for excitation, forces, and mesh operation too. Let's duplicate the excitation, paste it here, and now we have two coils in the excitation of transient magnetic simulation too. The workflow for assigning forces and torques and setting the mesh control is the same as we shown, but I want to mention another important point. When we are duplicating excitation from another study type, like magnetostatic or AC magnetic to transient, we have to set parameters of the excitation again. We have to edit the definition and check the waveform of excitation. Selecting entities, entry port and exit port is correct. And even the general properties of current-driven coil or voltage-driven coil. But in the third tab, the current or voltage source needed to be defined in the new simulation. Because in the previous simulation that was AC magnetic, all the excitations were pure sinusoidal waveform with the dedicated frequency. But here in the transient, we have options for different excitation types like pulse or sinusoidal or DC. So don't forget to define the waveform of the excitation after you copied the excitation properties. We need to set the waveform parameters again. For the other features like mesh control, usually we don't need to define any new properties. Using this ability will help you to have different studies within the single project file and set all parameters efficiently from previous studies.